Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to fight?
Go get on your... You go get on your own couch! Go get on your...
You can't go outside. You can't fly. Yeah, no, you can't. You don't know how. You can't fly. Because, I don't know. You can't go outside.
Don't you talk back to me. Go in that cage. Go in that cage. What'd you say? You go to bed right now. Don't go. Don't say that.
Come here, it's time to go to bed. Hey, Snoopy, come here. Snoopy, it's bedtime. It's time to go to bed. Come here. That is enough.
No! What? I don't want to fight. You're just gonna keep on. Stop! Stop! Oh my God! Oh yeah. Whatever. You better leave me alone. I'm not playing. No.
Don't you talk to me like that.
What? What? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Don't touch me.
Oh, sorry.
No, do not touch. Watch who you talking to. No, you watch how you talk. No, you better watch that beat. You better watch. No.
Para la otra te voy a castigar bien feo. ¿Oíste? Archie, controla tu carácter, por favor. Ay, Dios mío.
Treats.
Okay, no more treats. What else do you want?
Treats.
No more treats.
Seagull. Conquer mouth.
What else do you want?
Treats. Nuts.